Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best toys and gadgets for kids. Today, we're going to explore what could be the best magic water painting pens for kids, the Rangebow Water Doodle pens. These pens offer a fun, mess-free way for your little ones to get creative and improve their writing and drawing skills. If you've ever worried about the mess that comes with traditional art supplies, these pens are a game changer. All you need is water. That's it. Simply fill the pens with water, and your child can start doodling on any water doodle mat. No ink, no paint, no mess, just fun. Whether it's big, bold strokes with the large pens or fine details with the brush pens, this set has everything a young artist needs to get started. Designed with safety in mind, these pens are a perfect choice for kids ages 3 and up. They don't have any small parts like caps that could be a choking hazard, so you can rest easy while your child enjoys their creative time. These pens are also a great tool for fostering early learning. As your child doodles and writes, they're practicing their fine motor skills, learning letters, and improving their hand-eye coordination, all while having a blast. The set includes 2 large pens, perfect for big, broad drawings, and 2 brush pens for intricate details, which means that your child can create everything from large shapes to tiny, detailed drawings. Plus, since these pens are reusable, you don't have to worry about running out of ink or constantly replacing them. If you're a parent, you know that kids tend to lose or break things, so the set is thoughtfully designed to provide a spare set of pens. This way, their doodling fun doesn't have to stop if a pen goes missing. And with its child-safe design, these pens ensure that your little artist can freely express their creativity without any mess or worry. Imagine watching your child's imagination unfold as they create beautiful water-based artwork on their doodle mat. It's all the fun of painting without the stress of cleaning up afterward. And the best part? You can just refill the pens with water whenever you need to, making it easy for endless hours of mess-free fun. So, if you're looking for a gift that encourages creativity and is perfect for little hands, the Rangebow Water Doodle pens might just be what you're looking for. They provide the ideal way for kids to express themselves through art, all while keeping your home mess-free. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the best products for your kids.